Hi everyone, this is Justin from Adobe Analytics Product Management. I just wanted to show you a cool new feature called Quick Calculated Metrics, where you could build calculated metrics on the fly for your reporting and your dashboards, so you don't have to go into the traditional components and then calculate metrics down here to build your new calculated metrics. So over here I have a freeform table to give you an example. I have some metrics here in the different columns, and I want to know here page events divided by visits. I want to know the number of page events per visit. So in this case, I would select the two metrics, right click, and click Create Metric from Selection. It will give me a number of operators I can choose from over here, divide, subtract, add, multiply, percent change, or I can still open it in a calculated metric builder. In this case, I'll click divide and it'll give me the page events divided by visits. The logic works like this. It's the left first as the in the numerator, and then the right one as the denominator, or from an add subtract point of view, it's the left and then the right as the object orders. So that's how that works. If it doesn't have to be metrics next to each other, it could be just the metrics that you want. So in this case, I'm highlighting page views divided by visits, and it'll give me page views per visit. If I just choose one metric, it'll give me different selections to choose from. In this case, mean, median, max, min, and sum. So I can find the average number of visits for the last month if I wanted to, and then I could do another calculated metric off of it. If I want to save, I could just right-click again and then go into Edit Component, which will then give me the ability to retitle and then save as a new calculated metric. Last but not least, I just wanted to say that this also works on already existing calculated metrics that you have built. So in this case, I have an average time spent on site, and then a page views per visit, and I could right-click and then do a divide to get an average time spent per site to a page views per visit division, if that makes sense to you guys. So that's all I want to show here. Hope you have fun with it, and thanks for watching.